All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is where you are. Rick Reed here, back here with another hot um, flyer. And I'm going to show you how you can easily make an extra $5,000 to $10,000 in the next 2 or 3 months. Okay, with this particular flyer. Okay, this is our new address right here, Champion Discount. 13319 Lake Chesden Road, okay, suite number C2. That's going to be in Houston, Texas. And this is our number 346 704 1754. Again, 346 704 1754 is our hot new address. We've been here about 2 months now. Okay, the flyers are going to be updated on the website. You can go to our website. That's cashcowprogram.com, www.cashcowprogram.com. You're going to see all the flyers. The updated information should be on there by the end of this week. This is Saturday, October the 1st or 2nd. Okay, now let's get into it. Now, unlimited $500 and 5 books of stamps sent to your mailbox with this hot flyer. No computer is needed, no cold calling. This is not MLM, and there are no pass up involved with this particular flyer. Okay, now this is how it works. All right, when you join, your address and everything's going to be put in box number 1. Okay, you're going to be put in here box number 1. This particular flyer and this particular offer is what I call first movers advantage. If you're looking at this, okay, flyer from any marketing procedure as far as Facebook, TikTok, anything like that, if you receive this flyer, okay, and it's straight from us, this is what we call first movers advantage, because you're going to be the first person on this particular flyer. So your name is going to go here, your name and your address and your phone number, or your company uh, name and address and phone number, whatever you want here. You're going to fill that out here, okay? And make sure you call us 346 704 1754 so we can make sure we have the correct information on that flyer. All right. Now, once your name goes here and you start mailing this out and you get a reply, you're going to move from box number 1 to box number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, when you move to box number 2, 3, and 4, you get a residual income of $500 in 5 books and stamps over and over again, and that is amazing. That means you can make money while you sleep. You can make money while you sleep by simply mailing out this flyer. Okay? Now, also, what we do to keep people honest is, let's say your name is Alex and you get started, right? Your name goes here. Well, you mail out, let's say, 2,000 of these flyers, okay? And someone gets started. What we're going to do is we're going to call you and let you know that we received a package from Tiffany that Tiffany got started. We're going to ask you, did you receive payment? If you tell us yes, we're going to put Tiffany information together, just like you see here. We're going to send that to you. We're going to send it to Tiffany. And once we verify that we've got paid, then everything goes out. Now, if you tell us that you have not received payment, we will put Tiffany information together, but we won't send it to her till you verify that you've been paid. Okay? And we ask you to do the same thing because the mail runs at different times. So if you get paid, what you do, call us, let us know you received a payment from Tiffany. We'll keep an eye out. But what we'll do is we'll put her information together for her All you do is receive your $500 and 5 books of stamps over and over and over again. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your action determine what you get. All right. So basically, that's how it works. Now, your name keeps going from box 1 to box 2 to box 3. All right. Now, here is what you get when someone joins from your particular flyer: $500 and 5 books of stamps. That's what they're going to send to you. Okay. Now let's take a look at this, the potential of you getting this mailbox cash money. Okay. Now we accept cash and U.S. postal money orders. Let's look at this example right here. Okay. 5 people joined at $500. That's $2,500, people. What if it was 10 people that got started that day, that week, or that month? Hey, $7,500. All right, 15 people, $5,000. 20 people sending you $500 and 5 books of stamps, people, $10,000. Each time someone gets started, what they do is they help support our prison ministry. Okay, and that's been an awesome ministry for us. This is the whole purpose of doing this. All right. Now, not only that, but a bonus, you're going to get 200 of your flyers. We're going to send you 200 of your flyers and 200 hot buyer leads for you to send this amazing flyer to. And it's going to have your name, your address, your phone number, or your company name, address, and phone number on here. If you don't want your phone number on here, just simply let us know by giving us a call, 346-704-1754. All right. Name, address, city, state, zip code. Look, your flyers will be emailed to you. Your initial flyer will be emailed to you. That way you can get more made. You can have them as soon as payment is made. All right. Also, your 200 flyers, we will mail those to you. Okay, we will mail those to you. So just fill out this information and don't forget to send the stamps. Sometimes we have to send back payments or call people just to get their information. If you call us, 346-704-1754, please, please speak clearly and slowly so the operators can write down your information. We want to make sure we get the right information. Now, let's talk about what we're going to send to you when you get started, okay? The mailbox cash money marketing kit. Ladies and gentlemen, this kit was updated about 2 weeks ago, all right? Right here, I was showing you where I get my stamps from 29 cents to 39 cents. Guess what? I have a source that I get 5,000 stamps for $500, people. That's right, you heard right. 5,000 stamps for $500. Guess what that information is in the mailbox cash money marketing kit? It's in the hot new marketing kit, people. Okay. Also, we're going to show you where you get your leads from. Okay, most all the places I'm doing business with, grocery coupon certificate for $1,000. You select the coupons you want for items you know that you buy. People, how can you lose with the coupons that you choose? You choose the ones you want. My story is I went to Walmart. Grocery came up to close to $100 and something. After I gave them my grocery coupon, people, I paid less than $100 for my groceries. I had enough money to go get me a pedicure, manicure that same day. Have you seen how much a price of milk? Okay. I was in the store. One orange cost me $1.20. So the skyrocket price for food is going up. This grocery coupons is going to help you with that. Now, you get started with this until this is October. I give you till December, the end of December. You have till the end of December 22. You get started with this. This is what I'm also going to send you. Right here, ladies and gentlemen. This is the restaurant coupon. With this particular coupon, ladies and gentlemen, look right here. All right. You got TGI Fridays, Chili's, Olive Garden, Red Lobster, Applebee's, Sizzlers, IHOP's, Denny, Planet Hollywood, Austin Steakhouse, Hooter, Lone John Silver's, Ponderosa Steakhouse, McDonald's, Hardee's, Quiznos, Taco Bell, Dairy Queen, Burger King, okay, El Chico's, Popeye's Chicken, Boston Market, Rudy Tooty, and so many other places. Now, also what I'm going to send you is this particular flyer right here. This is amazing new flyer. This is the Fast Cash Cow flyer. Okay, this is one of the cash cow flyers. Now you're going to have the potential of earning an extra $200, $400, or $600, people, just for getting started. Works the same way. You have your 4 levels here. You're going to get the 5 books of stamps and the $200, $400, or $600, people, all for participating in your own rescue and getting started for $500 and 5 books of stamps. This is amazing. Your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. Let me help you. Let me give you my private coaching that's going to come along with that. All you have to do is call me, 346-704-1754. That's 346-704-1754. Ask for me, okay? I'll set up a time with you. We will discuss a marketing plan for you based on your income. Okay? Times is changing. This is the opportunity for you to make that Christmas money. Thanksgiving coming up. So many things coming up. An extra $2,500, $7,000, $5,000, or $10,000 can be in your mailbox. It's up to you. You got to do what I call MUSH. That's MUSH. That means mail until something happens. Keep doing it. I'm here to help you. It's Rick Reed. You can see this flyer at cashcallprogram.com. That's www.cashcallprogram.com. You can give me a call. Okay, we're here to help you. All we got you to do is take the time, make the steps, make the call, 346-704-1754. Remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. We appreciate you for participating in your own rescue. I'm here to help you. God bless. Have a great day, evening, night, wherever time it is where you